Are the kids and the dog driving you crazy? You may have come to the right place. Maybe you need a Robomaster. Okay, let's have a look and see what is included in the Robomaster kit. This thing is packed in layers, very nicely packed in this foam. The top layer includes the rollers that you'll be using to assemble the mechanism wheels. By mechanism wheels, I'm referring to the wheels that allow the Robomaster to actually perform sideways movements. It's really pretty fascinating to watch. You also receive your manuals and some targets that you can assemble. The second layer includes the chassis, the turrets, and also the motors. These motors are very high quality, beefy motors. Each one weighs about 5 ounces. Underneath the motors, we have packaged the gel beads. Gel beads are the projectiles, and I know parents, when they hear the word projectile, they get a little concerned, but rest assured that these are very safe. When you receive them like this bottle contains about 10,000 of these little beads, and you can see they're actually very tiny, and what you do is reconstitute them in water, and once they reach their full size after they've been rehydrated, they come out like this. They look like little airsoft BBs, but they're kind of soft like super balls, and they're biodegradable, they're safe. If the pet or something would eat them, it wouldn't hurt them. They're safe for both indoors and outdoors. They're not terribly difficult to clean up. You can just vacuum them up. If you find them, a lot of times you can just reuse them. The next layer contains the other portion of the wheels, the bumpers, a jig that you use to assemble the wheels, and then a nice little toolkit. So everything that you need to assemble this Robomaster is included right in the case. You don't need to have any other tools handy or anything. The charger, the battery, everything else is inside of here. That is the Robomaster kit. This will take you a couple hours, 2-3 hours to assemble it. Once you assemble it, you'll have a working robot that you can learn how to program, or you can operate it manually, sort of like an RC car. There is the Robomaster S1, fun little project to work on and to keep everybody in the family busy. Fire.